Okay, I've got an incredible story for you today. It's about a tech product that was right on the brink of collapse and how a super-focused AI-driven strategy managed to turn everything around. And look, this isn't just theory. This is a real-world case study, a full-on rescue mission.
So, let's start with the big question, right? Imagine for a second, you're put in charge of a product that hasn't made a single dime of profit for a decade. The pressure is on. I mean, where do you even start? That's the huge, high-stakes problem we're going to unpack today.
All right, first things first, let's set the stage. We need to understand exactly what this product was and the massive crisis it was facing. This wasn't just another project on the docket. This was its final shot at survival.
So the product is a workshop management system, or WMS. You can basically think of it as the digital command center for an auto repair shop. It helps them manage all their schedules, their mechanics, their customer communication, all that stuff to avoid those frustrating dead spots in their day.
And here's the part that's just staggering, the timeline. This product was out there, on the market, for 10 full years. And in all that time, it never once broke even. A whole decade of investment with literally zero return.
And you know what? Things are actually getting worse, not better. The market was crazy competitive. This product had only a tiny 7% slice of the pie. Then you pile on new trade agreements, tariffs, supply chains going haywire. It was a perfect storm. Making a change wasn't just a good idea, it was absolutely urgent.
This quote, taken right from the project brief, it just says it all. There was zero room for error. This was it, a last chance strategy. One final all-or-nothing attempt to make this thing work before they had to pull the plug for good.
So with the clock ticking, how on earth did they pull it off? Okay, let's get to the good part, the solution. We're going to see how they built this focused AI-powered process to finally crack a problem a decade in the making.
Instead of some long, drawn-out plan, they broke the whole thing down into 4 really intense sprints. Now, the key here was integrating AI right into the second sprint. It wasn't an afterthought, it was there to dramatically speed up the analysis. This structured, fast-paced approach was how they moved so quickly. Their secret weapon, something they called an AI toolbox. Now, this wasn't one single magical AI, it was a hand-picked set of different AI tools, each one chosen for a super specific job, from crunching market data to creating marketing content, and yet even building a functional software prototype.
So what was actually in this toolbox? Well, you had heavy hitters like Google's Gemini doing market analysis and coding, but also more specialized AIs like Opus Clip for whipping up marketing content. The whole strategy was simple. Use the right tool for the right job and move fast. The first major outcome of all this AI-accelerated work wasn't a piece of code. It was clarity. They completely tore down and rebuilt the fundamentals of the business, starting with the most basic question, who is our customer, really? And this just brilliantly shows the depth of their work. They didn't just create 1 or 2 generic customer profiles. No, they defined 14 distinct customer personas and 4 different business personas. This level of detail meant they could tailor everything, the product, the marketing, the price, with just incredible precision. So, once they knew exactly who they were talking to, they could finally fix the broken pricing. They moved to a classic good, better, best model, and they even included a freemium tier to get smaller shops in the door. The crucial part is that each tier was designed to give specific value to a specific persona, which made it way easier to upsell and finally start driving profit.
This strategic shift was so fundamental that the old brand it didn't hit anymore. It was like wearing clothes that were 10 years too old. So a complete rebrand was non-negotiable. They had to create a new voice, a new look, to communicate this new value and speak directly to all those new personas.
Okay, so the strategy was solid, but this is where the story goes from impressive to absolutely completely mind-blowing. Let's look at how they actually brought this new product strategy to life.
This right here is the comparison that changes everything. The original application took a software team nearly 2 years to build. Using their AI-powered process, they built a new, fully functional prototype, I'm talking front-end and back-end, in less than 2 days. Seriously, 2 years of work replicated and improved in just 48 hours. Let that sink in.
So how is that even possible? Well, the technique they used is called vibe coding. Instead of a developer writing code line by line, they gave the AI the vibe of the product. They just fed Google's Gemini AI all the strategic work, the personas, the pricing, the features, and then prompted it to generate a complete working application based on that whole vibe.
And hey, we're not talking about some flimsy demo built with old, clunky tech. The prototype the AI spat out used a totally modern, robust tech stack. We're talking React, TypeScript. This was a professional-grade foundation, proving this whole concept was legit.
The prototype wasn't just a pretty face either. It had complex, absolutely crucial features baked right in. Drag-and-drop scheduling, an advanced CRM module, collision detection so you don't double book. It even had the logic for all the new subscription tiers. This was a real, working product.
So they had this brilliant new strategy and a working prototype that they built at impossible speed. But the project didn't just stop there. Let's move to the final deliverables and see how this all came together into a clear, actionable plan for the future.
See, the final outcome wasn't just a prototype. It was a complete strategic plan. It included detailed 2-year roadmaps for both product and marketing, new structures for partnerships and income, and a brand new dashboard of metrics to actually track success. It was a total business overhaul, from top to bottom.
So, to put it all together, in just 4 months, this AI-powered process took a product that had been failing for a decade and gave it a clear, actionable plan to not just survive, but to actually achieve market leadership within 2 years. Just an incredible turnaround.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating final question to think about. This whole story just brilliantly shows the power of using AI, not just as a tool, but as a real strategic partner. So if it can solve a decade-long problem in just a few months, what legacy challenge, what impossible project in your world could it unlock?